Open new Canva project, click on the background and let's change the background color. Let's make a gradient style. Choose this one and let's change the style, make it circular gradient. Go to uploads and after uploading your image, drag it to the design and remove the background, duplicate, go to apps and type image blender, choose this app and choose linear and change the position of this point, place it in the bottom and place the second one in the middle of the image and decrease the straight to 0 and click save. Go to flip vertical and place it exactly in the bottom. Select all and adjust the size. And here is the final results. I hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to the channel to learn more about Canva.